Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and go into additional settings. Here choose Gangster Shortcuts option, and how you can see here we got 4 options of our quick launch. So launch Google Assistant, take screenshot, launch camera and turn on touch. Maybe, for example, you want to turn on touch. Click activate this option, double press to power key, click back, and now go into our launch camera. And here we got same option, double press to power button. So if you activate this option, you get message double press the power button is used for turn on touch, replace or not. If you click replace, we activate our launch camera. If you click cancel, you activate only turn on touch. And you activate another option, maybe for example launch Google Assistant or take screenshot, and you can turn off or activate some option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.